am I? Hey guys, it's Melanie. What's up? Today, I'm not gonna have a long intro because this video is gonna be pretty much all me talking, but I'm gonna be giving you guys 150 plus ideas for what to do during this downtime, quarantine time. So with Corona and everything, I know it's really scary, and it's also really hard to like stay optimistic and positive during a time like this just because it's so unforeseen and we don't know what's gonna happen. But I just wanna put a little positivity out there and just remind you just to be grateful for this time and to use this to relax and restore your body and your mind, and you know, do some things for yourself. You can't really do anything to control what's going on, as much as that sucks. The least we can do is, you know, just make the best out of what's happening. So with this downtime, you know, spend time with your family, take care of your body, you know, do some things for yourself, and you know, we'll see how it all turns out. With that being said, I know a lot of you, as I am as well sometimes, going a little bit crazy, you know, in my house, stuck with myself, don't really know what to do. So with that being said, I'm giving you guys a bunch of ideas on things you can do. Some of these are kind of general and vague, some of them are a little more specific, and it also ranges from like productive to absolutely pointless. So let's get into this list. Look, I made a cute little list. All right, and I stopped counting, so I have no clue how many I have. I think I have about 150. First off, do a paint by numbers. You know, you can't really go out shopping, but you can Amazon Prime one to yourself. Read a book. I've been doing this. I never had time to read before, but now I am. Pretty awesome, not gonna lie. You can also check out books online since libraries are closed. Do a puzzle. I still haven't done this, but I will be doing this soon. Clean out your closet. I actually did this. This is a very productive thing to do. Highly recommend. And then you can also donate the clothes. Do a at-home workout. You could do like a YouTube workout. You could do yoga, something like that. Make whipped coffee. I've been meaning to try this, but I'm scared that it's gonna break my arm off. It's been all over TikTok. Game pigeon. You know, go through your contacts, hit up a friend, just play some pool, anagrams, cup pong, learn a TikTok dance. You know, we be doing this even when we're not self-quarantined, so you can improve your dance skills even more. Sudoku. You can print some off online. You can get a puzzle book. You can find it in the newspaper. Works out your mind. Learn an instrument. Go on a run. I did that once. Not doing that again. I hate running. Netflix party. Netflix party is basically an extension. You've probably seen it, but it syncs up your screen with your friends, and then you guys can like message while you're watching the same show. Make friendship bracelets. You can give them to your friends after when you can see each other again. Cut your split ends. Yeah. Or cut your hair. Depending on how stable you are, you might not want to do this. It might be an impulse thing. You can meal prep for the week or like the next day since you have so much time. Go on a bike ride. I did this. It was actually very hard, and I realized I'm not in shape. Do a Bob Ross painting tutorial. Listen to a podcast. Cook a new recipe. Paint your nails. Give yourself like a little manicure. Do a little face mask, like a pampering thing, you know? Walk your dog. I've been doing this a lot. Do a devotional. I've been doing this, and it's a really good way to start off the morning and be like peaceful and calm, you know? I just wrote bath bomb, so I'm assuming like take a nice bath. I don't think I've taken a bath since I was like 6. So actually maybe I'll do that right after this video. Reorganize your playlist. No matter what you use, hopefully you use Spotify because that's better. Follow me on Spotify, but you can reorganize them, make new ones, make some for your friends. You can even like change out the little picture thing, you know? I did that, was pretty proud of it. Learn choreography from a movie, like some High School Musical, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Watch the sunset, either from your house or from a viewpoint where you are distanced from people. Ooh, there's this website where you can put in ingredients that you have at home, and then it'll give you a bunch of different recipes that you can try out, so you can do that and then try out like fun new recipe. You can play online games with friends. There's like some where you can like Jackbox or Scribble or whatever, and then you guys can play games together, and it's basically like you're together. Read a book with friends. You can have like a FaceTime book club. I don't know if that's lame, to be honest. I think it's kind of cool. Go on a hike. This might not be super safe, and this might be restricted pretty soon, but you know, it's been nice out. People have been hiking like a lot. Bullet journal. I always said I would like bullet journal if I had more time. I still haven't started, but bullet journaling. Bake cookies. Obviously I had to put that on here. I think I've done that like 4 times since this quarantine started. Stretch or do yoga. Even if you're not flexible, stretching is very good for your body in many ways. Go skateboarding. I actually did this. It's very fun. You can also pick up a few tricks because you're gonna have so much time, you know? Paint your cases. That's kind of vague because you can paint like any type of case, but like phone case, computer case, what's it called? calculator case. I don't know why I did not remember the name. I really want to paint my calculator. Take a nap. What a great idea, Melanie. Binge watch an entire show. I've always kind of wanted to challenge myself to do this, but I don't have the attention span for that. College apps. If you're like a junior or like any grade in high school, you can actually use this time and it will be very helpful and you will thank yourself later. Then again, if you're a senior, you can apply for scholarships still. Paint a hydro flask, you know, inspired by someone. Journal. I think it'd actually be really interesting to journal about like everything going on right now and reflect on it, especially because like it is an interesting time. Donate stuff from your house, you know, just clean out your house. It's like early spring cleaning. Write a song. This is something I will not be doing, but if you are somewhat musically gifted, learn a new language. Sell stuff online if you have like a Depop or like a Poshmark or something. Watch a sermon. I've been watching a lot of sermons and stuff. Of course, like I'm Christian, so I'm kind of like saying Christian things, but you know, if you have any other religion, just practice your religion, you know. Learn to draw, sketch, doodle, anything like that. There's a bunch of videos, tutorials. Look through old photos, and when I say old photos, I mean like childhood photos and stuff, because trust me, I could spend a whole week doing that. It's so entertaining. Make cards. I don't know if this is weird, but sometimes I will do this. I'll make like a bunch of like Christmas cards or something, or birthday cards, because later in the year I'll be really busy. I like to like hand make my cards and stuff. So karaoke by yourself, with your family, up to you. Okay, not just game pigeon, but you can have a game pigeon Olympics where you do like all the games and you like tally it up and stuff, you know. Scrapbook. Either look through your old scrapbooks if you already had them, or make your own scrapbooks. Maybe if you're in high school, make one of the memories you did have. Take online surveys. I know you can make money from these, so if you find like a website or something. I don't know the website in my mind, but yeah. Board games. Learn how to make your favorite drink at home. I've actually been testing out a lot of different drinks at home and it's so much fun, and now I know that I do not need to spend $5 at a cafe every single day. Play the Wii Fit maybe for some exercise. House party or FaceTime with friends, Skype, Zoom, I don't know. Clean out your drawers. We all know we have that like one drawer where you shove like literally everything. Clean that out right now, or like sometime over this break. I dare you. I dare you. Watch like award-winning movies, any movie that's won like an Oscar or Best Picture. Go grocery shopping because the grocery stores are still open. Just be sanitary with it. Make banana bread. I think I just put that on there because I was really craving banana bread like all yesterday. Watch challenges on YouTube like the try not to laugh, try not to cry. Those ones, they're pretty entertaining. Learn to dance with a friend on FaceTime, you know, the one where they're like standing together and then they hold the computer and then they do it at the same time. Like, yeah. Read the newspaper, watch the news. No better time to be aware of what's going on. Learn to knit or crochet. Try to become TikTok famous. Maybe, you know, like have a competition with a friend who can like gain the most likes on a video or something. I don't know. Write a bucket list. Learn how to embroider or like embroider some of your clothes. Make a resume. That might be actually helpful. Get a job. I know there's not a lot of jobs going around, but like working at a grocery store or something, or one of the restaurants that are open. Paint your room. Learn how to do calligraphy or practice your calligraphy. Start a blog. Meditate. Organize your pantry. This is something I kind of want to do, to be honest. Write letters to people. I had like two concepts. Either like write them to your friends because you can't see them, or like you're Laura Jean, write letters to people just for your own sake, you know, express yourself. At home photo shoot. There's plenty of ways to take cool photos at home, you know, like film ones, Polaroid ones. Rewatch your favorite show. Cook a meal for your family. You could also have like a cook-off with one of your siblings or your parents, you know, if you're an only sibling or only child. Sort through your old schoolwork. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like save my schoolwork and they're just like in piles, so I should probably go through that. Make online friends, you know, Instagram, TikTok, any other website. Learn a magic trick, and then you can go and annoy your family and show them the magic trick. Riddles. There's a bunch of riddles online. There's riddle apps. There's also like those weird super long riddles on like YouTube. I used to watch those all the time. You can do a coloring book. They're like print out pages online just to color, or you can actually get like an adult coloring book, like a fancy one, or like a kid's one. I won't judge. You can try to write a book or a story or some type of article. Find some local businesses to support. You can do a Google Slides with friends, and then people like add into the presentations like what you did that day. Have a actual movie marathon. Test out some TikTok recipes. There are so many. Write your future self a letter. Do some Mad Libs. Clear out your phone or computer storage. This is something I always need to do, but I never have the time to do, so I will be doing that tonight. You can try to replicate meals or like recipes from shows, so like Master Chef recipes, or like that show Nailed It, where they try to do like the Pinterest baking. Make a montage or video from like all the clips you have from like over the years, you know, fun memes. You can dye your hair. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have said that for myself. Whiten your teeth. You can make a time capsule. I think this one's kind of cool. I kind of want to do that. Do your taxes, you know, if you're at that age. See, productive here. Read a magazine. Make an inspiration board. You can also like hang up pictures or Polaroids on your wall. Also redo your room, something I do all the time. Make a playlist for someone or yourself. Or you can be cool and like make them a mixtape. Poetry. I myself am no poet, but like I think blackout poetry is really cool. You know, when you take like a book page and you like black stuff out. That's pretty artsy, if I do say so myself. You can have a cook or bake off competition with like a few friends, your family. Make a list of like places you want to visit or things you want to do, especially when you're trapped or super bored. It's way easier to come up with things that you want to do. Play poker. Teach your dog a new trick if you have a dog. I don't know why I wrote this. I said try to get a celebrity's attention. I mean, if you're really bored, yeah, you can try that. Who knows? I said memorize something. Also kind of random. There's like things that would come in handy if you memorize them. Like, I don't know, the periodic table, the books of the Bible, all the countries or something. I'm not sure. You can do a bunch of free trials because you have so much time, like Netflix or Hulu or other show apps. You can learn how to do origami, or you could just make a bunch of origami for funsies. Learn pen tricks to impress your friends with. I don't know why I did this, but like, you know, when you spin the pen really cool, like that'll impress people. Memorize a movie dialogue. I've actually done this with High School Musical, not gonna lie. It comes in handy, I'm telling you. You can impress people. Start a garden. I think this is actually a really good one. Start your own website. Call long distance friends or family, catch up, check in on people, see how they're doing. You can have a picnic distance from people, or in your backyard, or in your living room. You can learn about your family lineage, like a family tree or something. Update your Facebook, like update all your photos and stuff. I don't know. It's very satisfying when it's all up to date. Make your own jewelry. You can have a bonfire in your backyard. If you have one, you could try some childhood online games like Webkins, Pop Tropica, Club Penguin, Cool Math. You can go outside and do chalk drawings like on your driveway or whatever street. Learn how to use a new software like, I don't know, Photoshop, Lightroom, Adobe. Reorganize your phone. Mine is color coordinated, just giving you guys some ideas. Come up with outfit ideas. Since you're not dressing up right now, you can come up with some outfit ideas for later. Practice your makeup skills. You can also take some bomb selfies while you're at it. Learn to sew. It's actually a very, very helpful skill. Clean your makeup brushes. That's a good idea. I should do that. Dust your house. Plan a future trip. Planning takes so much time, but while you're super bored, it's way easier to come up with fun things you want to do in the future, and planning them now gives you something to look forward to. Research careers. Pinterest. That alone can keep me busy for hours. And Pinterest will also like inspire you to do other things, I feel at least. Build a fort. Wattpad. You could write a story, read a story, make a pizookie. Clean your shoes. We all have those white shoes that are really, really dirty. Upcycle some old clothes. You can find some rad upcycling thrift flips on YouTube. Homemade ice cream, you know, like if you ever went to camp when you were a kid and you made it in like the little bag. Make some scrunchies. You probably have scrap fabric somewhere. If not, you can just cut some shirts, you know. Start a new account for your hobby. So like if you want to start a little business or something like that, this is a prime time. Everyone's on social media. And then my last one, you can update your Instagram highlights or just like your social media as a whole. Always feels like there's something to update. Okay guys, so that was my 100, so 100 plus, 150, 200. I have no clue how many I had. Ideas for things you can do. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If you want more ideas on things you can do, make sure to let me know. Or if you guys have ideas, you can also comment that below. If not, and you're still bored, just talk to people in the comments. I'll talk to you. I'm kind of bored as well. Just a reminder to stay safe and healthy and be considerate of yourself and others. Know other people who can't care for their own health. Use this time for the best things possible. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys all so much, and I hope you guys are all doing really well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.
I know it's getting late now.